What is going on, guys? Rob here, and today we're going to be going over how to muscle up. What is going on, guys? Rob here. What's going on, guys? Rob. What is going on, guys? Rob here. What's going on, guys? Rob. What's going on, guys? Robs. What is going on, guys? Rob here. You guys have it. This has been Rob. Come on, guys. Rob. Hope you enjoyed. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe. So there's a bunch of keys. There's technique. There's strength that go into the muscle up. Some basic prerequisites you should have are so once you have those basic prerequisites, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to practice your technique. How we're going to do that is by step number one, you're going to want to over grip the bar. None of this basic just grabbing the bar here. Just completely over grip, grab it tight. Step number two, you need to practice swinging your upper body past your shoulders and past your feet. Your torso should really extend forward and through for the muscle. Step three, once you have those two steps down, you need to practice pulling up and driving your knees up to the bar, okay? This is a really important step. You have to drive your knees when you're first learning how to muscle up. Once you do that, you start to put all the pieces together. The next thing you need to do is you need to really explosively pull as you drive your knees, okay? So when you're here, forward, drive, and explode with that pull. Notice how I'm not pulling straight up and straight down, okay? We're actually making a C motion. It's like this. So don't pull like this. Pull. The next step for the muscle up is you're going to want to do everything that we've done so far, and then put your chest on. I'll show you what that looks like. You just stay in this position, and then you do your straight bar up. So when you're first learning, don't try to overcomplicate the rotation. All you want to do is pull high enough and lean your chest over the bar. That's going to tilt you forward, and your momentum's naturally going to switch to get you up. I'll show you guys a couple more times. Just like that. Once you get comfortable with that, you should be able to have your first muscle up, okay? The straight bar dip's the last step. Now, if you're really struggling, what you can do is you can grab a band in order to help with the transition. The transition is one of the hardest parts when it comes to the muscle up. It's really important to practice transitioning. How you do that is with the over grip, okay? That's gonna allow you to naturally push like this rather than getting stuck and having to completely re-grab. So over gripping allows you to immediately go into a push. Okay, that's why the people that are really close to having their muscle up but can't quite get that rotation or that transition, use a band. It's going to help alleviate that sticking point to help get you up and over the bar and practice the full motion. I'll show you what that looks like. Same thing. So what that's going to allow you to do is it's going to allow you to get over the bar, and it's going to allow you to practice getting over the bar a little bit easier. So make sure you guys utilize bands when applicable, okay? That should get you guys your first muscle up. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you follow, like, subscribe, check out our other channels, all our socials. We post videos.